What's up, YouTube? I'm here to test a device. It's a PVB 1-inch. So basically walk through the steps. This is in Michigan, 3-valve test. So basically you want to hook up your high hose to test cock number 1. Alright, you get it hooked up. Let's turn on, make sure your high and low valves are closed, bypass is open. Sorry. So this is my very first video ever on YouTube, so bear with me. So we're going to open high. Again, these are closed. Bleed air. Close. Open low. Bleed the air. Close. And then this is normally on. I decided to make a video after doing all these steps first, so I just left it off. But anyways, after that you're ready to go. So you shut this off, close the bypass, open high, open low, let it zero out, close high, close low, shut off 1. That remains steady, then your shut off 2 is tight. Make sure that's 2. Yeah, number 2 shut off, sorry. All right, I always get that confused. So we're gonna move on to the check valve. Make sure the check valve. So with that, you're gonna open up shut off 1. Come over here, open bypass, open low, let the gauge move up, close it. Now if that is above 1, which it is, about what, right at 2, check valve is tight. And then we will load that into the system here. All right, so now the next step is the air inlet. So what we'll do here is we're going to close test cock 1, test cock 2. I like to open these up just to let the water come out. Remove low, and then move your high hose to test cock 2. Come on now, Cletus. There we go. So I'm gonna make sure the high and low is off, bypass is on. And so with this is gonna be open up at the high. It goes up to 15, that's normal. You'll get a little bit of water when you do that out of this low hose. That's normal, that's a good sign. So bleed the air. And then you want to center your gauge, right? Center the gauge. I'm not going to be able to do it at the same time, but you center your gauge, shut off number 1, and then you open the high valve slowly, and then that gauge will drop, and then you have your finger in there, and once that air inlet opens, keep your eye on the gauge, and then whatever number it opens at, that's what you say. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and yeah, I'll get better at the videos. Just give me time. But that's basically how you do a PVB.